Like sunny, but not much. Summer is so very, here, very warm. We can't go outside, especially in noontime. You can go out on 3 p.m. and up to 10 a.m. and then back to 3 p.m. 9 a.m. is off. Swamp is covered with ocean already. Humid. How do you know that? How did you know only the someone? It's about geography, huh? Okay. Ocean in life. This part. This part. Thank you. Thank you, Honey George. This is my perfume in the nighttime for my aching at my shoulder when I do hard work and my daily activity. My back and my arm is aching. I don't know why, because since when I am back to my younger days, I was dropped into the ground and my head is, like my bone is break. How do you say in your language hello? Is hello? Kumusta? Is kumusta? Kumusta? Well guys, this is just a short live tonight because I'm not feeling good. I'm just like, hi to my 20 viewers. Can you share my live guys? Share to everyone. Hello. I didn't use my air condition because I'm worried of this bill. I don't know. Because my salary in YouTube is in March, I didn't get the quota. So I tried to go live and upload and upload. Please watch my upload videos. I forgot to ask you. My name is Naomi. My name is Naomi. I have my details in my about. I have them at Facebook, my Instagram. I have also there my Patreon, and then what you call this, and my WhatsApp. Naomi. It's Naomi. Naomi. It's Naomi. Same. It depends upon how you call me. It's Naomi. So David, you look young in your profile pic. How old? How young are you? How old? Mommy, nice name by the way, mother. I said thank you. Thank you. Yes. Um, you look like 40 something. I'm not, your pic is not yet, I can't recognize because it's very small one. Hello. OMG, why? I don't understand. Got to fold. Okay. Take care, George. Honey, George, be. Take care. After this, I'm going to sleep. I just finished this 20 minutes live before I sleep. I don't. No, no. So you are. I don't know. You are 20s or 30s. But it's just a guess because I don't know. Well, I